Hello everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see a recursion in Java. It is the process in which method calls itself continuously, as you can see here. So, if the method calls itself, it is also called as a recursive method. Okay. So here we are going to implement and write the method static int trick int yeah. We are going to write a logic within the method, so we are going to call the method after that, okay, afterwards, right? So here I'm going to write the condition. If the given number is greater than 0, return n plus and calling the method n minus 1. Otherwise, go to the else part and return 0. Okay, that's it. I'm going to write the main method and giving the value 5 and printing the method rec n. Yeah, that's it. This is the program. So I'm going to explain you auto execution. The answer is 15, right? The actual value is going to be like this: 4 3 5 4 3 2 1. What is the answer? 15. Yeah, that's it. That's how it's working. So for the each iteration, this will call the method, okay, and come to this uh, return part. Here, what is the given condition? For the first iteration, this will have 5 minus 1. So I'm going to give you a clear example like this. For the first iteration, the given value is 5, right? The given value is 5. 5 greater than 0. Yeah, that's true. 5 plus 1, sorry, plus the function and 5 minus 1. What is the answer? The answer is 4, right? For the first iteration, the condition is return this value 4. Okay, fine. Now we have 4. 4 is greater than 0. Yeah, that's true. 4 plus a function 4 minus 1 equal 3. Okay. Now the answer becomes 3. Yeah, that's true. Again, the initial or the given n values, it's calling the method, right? Actually, it's calling the method. What will be the answer? So yeah, which means the calling the method which gives the value 3. 3 is greater than 0 and return 3, right? 3 plus function 3 minus 1, which means what? 2. Yeah, 2 stands on. Yeah, this is how which will return the value until the condition reaches the or satisfies this condition given range. So after that, this will go to the else part, right? So until the given condition, this will call the method continuously and will give the answer like this. Okay. Yeah, this is actually the recursion, the iteration operation, how it is actually working. Okay, I hope I explained everything good. So we can watch this video again if this concept is not understandable. So first time it's kind of tricky. So if you watch this video again, so this will be going to be easy. So I'm going to see you in the next video. So if you are preparing for interviews, you can check out my channel videos and that are going to be helpful. Especially those topics are going to be helpful. Okay. See you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.